Okay, second graders, you can use repeated addition to solve multiplication problems, or you can just multiply. So you are going to use the model and complete each sentence. So we take the first number and we add this number, the first number, many times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 is also 6. Number 2. We take the first number and we add it that many times. We add 5 that many times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 5, 10, 15. So 3 times 5 is also 15. Number 3, repeated addition. We take 3 and we add it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and we add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 times 3 is also 12. 4 times 4, we add 4 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Do you understand? Can you write 3 plus 2 as a multiplication sentence? Explain. Do that on Seesaw, please. Go to the next slide. Okay, use the model. Complete each sentence. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Algebra. We're right here. Number 8. Write the missing numbers. So we already have the 2. This number is going to be how many times you added them up. So we added them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We added 2 5 times, so 5 times 2 equals 10. This one we already have 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. What number are we multiplying by? That's right, 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. All right, go to the back. Number 10, draw a picture, write the product. Follow along as I read. 3 people pick apples. Each person picks 5 bags of apples. How many bags of apples do they pick? Draw your picture and then solve. So we already have the 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And each of them have 5 apples in them. So draw your 5 apples. Let me do red instead. I'm going to do my 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is 3 times 5? Number 11, I mean. 4 children go to the gift shop. Each child buys 3 postcards. Which sentence shows this problem? A, 4 plus 3 equals 7. B, 3 times 3 equals 9. C, 4 times 3 equals 12. Or D, 12 plus 4 equals 16. Well, just to let you know, 2 of those are not even multiplication problems. They don't have the times sign. So 2 of them you can cross off right away. Number 12, journal. Write a story problem using repeated addition. Write the multiplication sentence that goes with your story. I accidentally, when I took a picture, cut off the bottom part. The bottom part is when you'd write your multiplication sentence. Your story problem could be something like, I'll write mine, 7 children go to the store. Each child buys 2 toys. Okay. How many toys did they buy all together? Okay. And my multiplication sentence would look like this. I'm going to write it here since I accidentally cut it off the bottom. It would be 7 times 2. And if I did repeated addition, I would add 7 2 times, so 7 plus 7. And 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 times 2 also equals 14. All right. When you are done, show an adult who is not working with a group of students or a student. Then you may get on Seesaw and listen to other people's Do You Understand and do our appropriate Seesaw comments.